Hello amazing viewers of the Wonderland channel. Today we are here with a very interesting topic. What would you say if we told you that the initial state of many of the fruits and vegetables we eat is actually nothing like what they look like now? Here today we will show you how fruits and vegetables were in their originals. A short reminder, if you like the video, you can press the like button and subscribe to be notified of new videos. Let's get started. Number 10. Tomatoes. Tomato, which is an indispensable part of every meal, has undergone quite a change compared to its original form. The size of the tomato was smaller than a plum. Its taste is said to be as sour as a unripe almond or sky plum. It had a much thicker and furry shell than its current form. Number 9. Watermelon. Indispensable in summer, red and juicy watermelon, it turns out, was not as we know it. The watermelon you see on the screen is one of those grown in the 17th century. It has a thick and dark rind, larger seeds, and its edible red parts are much less than it is now. Today, seedless watermelons have begun to be produced. In other words, the exchange of fruits and vegetables still continues. Number 8. Cucumber. The cucumber we know is not as we know it, we never got to know it. The first form of cucumber in the wild was not as easily edible as it is now. As you can see on the screen, it was palm-sized, round, with a thick crust and its outer appearance was completely covered with thorns. The interior was quite core. Number 7. Corn. Corn has experienced one of the biggest changes on this list. Corn was first cultivated by humans in 7000 BC. It did not have the current sun-yellow grains, tassels and cobs. Number 6. Peach. Another fruit whose change is astonishing. It wasn't at all like the fluffy, juicy, tender peach we're eating now. Here is the wild peach. Before it was genetically modified, it looked more like a plum or a cranberry. This fruit also had a rather sour taste. Number 5. Banana. It is thought to have been cultivated for the first time in Papua New Guinea, 7,000 years ago. The original version of the banana was shorter and firmer. It had lots of cores in it. The banana we eat now is obtained by grafting two different types of bananas together. Number 4. Pineapple. I think this fruit is the most unchanged on the list. Wild pineapple is currently still grown in South Africa. It was less juicy and had seeds inside than modern pineapple. Number 3. Orange. As humanity, we did not like the first form of vegetables and fruits in nature. We have added flavor to the taste of the fruits and made their appearance very aesthetic. Here is another one of them, orange. As you can see on the screen, its old state was green, crusty and soggy internal structure. There was no trace of its current bright orange color. Number 2. Carrots. Carrots were discovered and cultivated by humans in the 10th century. However, a carrot untouched by man in the wild was not as orange, colorful, juicy and crispy as it is now. As you can see on the screen, it resembled a tree root and had a very bitter taste. Number 1. Eggplant. Some vegetables and fruits have been genetically modified so that they can be eaten more easily by humans. Eggplant is one of them. As you can see on the screen right now, the eggplant had thorns on the stem where it was attached to the plant. It had a short and plump structure. Its colors could be yellow or blue. That's all our list. What do you think of these changes? Share your ideas with us in the comments. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye until we meet again.